In fact, viewers, as India is preparing to celebrate its 76th Republic Day, the Indian Army is ensuring the security of the nation with heightened vigilance along with the line of control. In fact, the Army has intensified patrolling and area domination efforts in the snow-covered regions. Braving extreme weather conditions, Jawan are working relentlessly to prevent infiltration attempts, leaving no room for security lapses.
Braving extreme weather conditions, Indian Army has intensified its patrolling and area domination exercises in snowbound areas of line of control. We're reporting from LOC, and my VJ Shafiq will show you the Army Jawans currently conducting this area domination and patrolling exercise. It's a routine exercise for Army Jawans here at LOC. This is snowbound areas. There are extreme weather conditions prevailing, and these Army Jawans are braving those extreme conditions. This includes continuous impact snowfall that takes place in the area. There are high speed impact winds. There is sub-zero temperature that these Army Jawans have to deal with. They have been equipped with best impact gears to protect them from extreme cold. So this area is a line of control area, and across is the POK, where the Indian Army, the intelligence agencies continuously are receiving inputs about the presence of terrorists, presence of launch pads, and there could be in fact attempts of infiltration. So these Army Jawans are ready to foil those infiltration attempts. They have been carrying out such exercises and area domination and patrolling exercises along the line of control, and now on the eve of Republic Day they have intensified these operations to ensure that the nation celebrates Republic Day peacefully, and the integrity and in fact the security of nation remains intact.
In fact, in the harsh weather along the LOC, the Indian Army soldiers are conducting advanced move and fire exercises to counter the infiltration threat. These maneuvers are critical, remember, for neutralizing intruders and are being carried out in deep snow and in sub-zero temperatures. The training has proven effectively, helping the Army for multiple infiltration attempts, ensuring the safety and security of the borders despite the extreme weather conditions.
Braving extreme cold conditions, the Indian Army Jawans have intensified their area domination patrolling exercise along the line of control on the eve of Republic Day, and they are basically demonstrating their multiple tactics that they are basically using while conducting counter-infiltration or counter-insurgency operations. The one you right now see is move and fire, where the Army Jawans move and then basically target aim at the target. So right now you see Indian Army Jawans in these snowbound areas braving extreme weather conditions and targeting the target with precisely. Basically these operations or these exercises are being conducted to demonstrate the preparedness of Indian Army, who are posted along the line of control. There are intelligence inputs in fact suggesting that the terrorists who are on across the line of control on launch pads may attempt to infiltrate, and to counter those infiltration attempts, these Indian Army Jawans are demonstrating their preparedness. This is snowbound area, and in fact there remains chances of avalanches and other extreme weather conditions. So in these extreme weather conditions, where wind speed is itself a challenge, the terrain is challenge, and in fact the weather is challenge, these Army Jawans are on high alert and in fact guarding the borders to ensure that the nation celebrates the Republic Day at ease or peacefully. These Army Jawans have been conducting similar exercises as area domination exercises along the line of control, while as in hinterland the security forces are also on high alert. But here on line of control, these Army Jawans are braving extreme weather conditions and in fact are on remain deployed around the clock, keeping an eye on the enemy posts as well as are ready to foil the infiltration attempts or any adverse in impact actions of the enemy or terrorist groups who are operating from the POK area. So these army jawans are demonstrating their preparedness, and they are well prepared to tackle any adverse impact action or condition here on line of control.
All right, with these special reports from the LOC, we slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.